3425 Ribordy Rd in Windsor, Ontario. This house built in 2021 and sitting on 7,000 square foot. Full brick and 2-car attached garage. It's in an amazing area, close to all amenities, shopping centers, Devonshire Mall, Costco, lots of amenities. And wait until we tell you the asking price of this house because it's gonna shock you. So this is the entrance. We have a very high ceilings and there is a pot lights on the ceilings for sure. We're gonna check out the basement later in the video, but for now, let's see the main floor.
I love the size of windows right here. You can see it's really huge, brings a lot of natural light.
The blinds are closed right now, but if we open them up, even like the lighting is gonna be amazing. There's a lot of windows at this side as well.
And by the way, today it's not a sunny day, but still we see a lot of natural light. And this door, it's the garage door, so that's where
the 2-car attached garage.
The garage. See, it's big 2-car garage. Now let's go to the main floor.
Look at the flooring that you have over there. Looks so amazing. And we have the storage here, and this is the living area. The living area, I'm not sure if you can see it very clear in the camera, but the living area is so big and it's an open concept to the kitchen. This house is staged by 100% sold staging company, and as you can see, all the furniture is here, and we can still have lots of empty area here. And this is the dining table.
Sarah, so what I love about the Raised Ranch, like on the newer styles, they start getting the living area extended to be closer to the windows, and they start reducing the size of the entrance, the foyer here. On the older versions, like older houses, they did not use the space properly, so they used to make that space so much bigger, and here so much shorter, which reduced the size of the living area. But this one, it's pretty much very extended. Like you can see it all the way very close to the end of the house.
And for me personally, there is no point of making the lobby or whatever, the entrance, the foyer, a big size, because there's no point of it. Nobody's gonna live on the foyer. It's better to use the area with making the living area much bigger, as we can see in this house. Here is the kitchen. I love the kitchen. It's my favorite part. All white. I like the white materials, and here you can see there's a lot of cabinets, big cabinets, and we do have some of them on the island as well.
Yeah, there's an island in the middle, place for your stools,
for sure.
Power outlet.
All the appliances are new, as you can see. And they have been used before.
The quad is top.
They have been used before, but they're all new because the house was built in 2021. We're gonna show you how big the backyard is, like with the drone. And this is the deck. Let's go and check it. Was probably open. This is the deck if you wanna have your own barbecue or a seating area. It's a good size as well. And here you have stairs. Sometimes we don't see stairs on your deck, and in most houses that takes you to the backyard, but this is amazing to have.
Sarah, I love the fact that this house is full brick, or even from the side. So you see everything here is fully bricked out from the bottom to the ceiling. So that's really good.
Yes.
Some houses you see them like half a brick and half vinyl on different, or stucco, but this one it's all brick.
And some builders would use other materials on the sides or the back just to make it cheaper. But these materials are brick, and of course these materials are more expensive than the others.
Exactly.
Here we have an open fence, but you can add your own. So we have until the end of that fence over there. These are all the border that are included with the area of the house, with the lot. Let's go and check.
Sarah, how many bedrooms in total we have?
We have 3 bedrooms on the main floor. The basement is unfinished. I'm gonna show you. I'm I'm guessing like at minimum we can have 2 bedrooms in the basement. We're gonna show you we're gonna show you how big the basement is.
And so this is like if the storage of the cabinets in the kitchens are not enough, you can make this as your pantry as well.
Yes. First, let's start with the big one. This is the master bedroom. Again, the ceilings are too high. A big window brings natural lights, and we have its own bathroom with a stand-up shower. The material, the cabinets look amazing, and I like the colors how we're matching with the flooring.
And also you have your stand-up shower right there. Big glass door.
Yes, and of course we have the walk-in closet here.
It's a full walk-in closet.
It fits a very good size for 2 people.
Mm-hmm.
This is the second bedroom. This is a queen bedroom size, and again we do have a lot of area here. You can add a vanity or whatever table desk.
Mm-hmm. And you still have a closet on the side as well.
Yes.
2 doors closet.
I love the ceilings here. Like the high ceilings makes it look so amazing. This is the bathroom, the shared bathroom on the main floor, and
comes with a tub, and you have a niche right there. So that's also just to show that they went the extra mile to add some stuff
again
inside.
They're using the same colors that are matching with the flooring.
And this is our last bedroom.
And this is not a master bedroom, but it feels like a master bedroom because the size is too big, and there is walk-in closet that fits almost 2 people. So 2 people can easily live here, but there's no bathroom specifically for this bedroom. But the size is amazing. The walk-in closet, you can add more shelves on this side and that side, and you can have a lot more storage.
I agree. So, Sarah, what do you think about the colors of the house? Like the walls colors, the
I just mentioned the colors in the bathroom and everywhere here, like in the main floor, the floorings here. They are not fancy, but they are so calm. Like I love the texture, the color, the choice of the colors on the backsplash. Like look at the backsplash color. They are matching the colors in the bathroom of the cabinets. So it feels like they arrange everything.
Yeah, everything is so matching with each other. It's very cozy, very calm.
Even the color of the paint of the walls.
The paint, the light fixtures.
It's not white, it's not off-white. It's kind of gray. At the same time, it's kind of white. So
True.
The color is amazing and matching with the flooring of the bathroom and the backsplash of the kitchen, and I like it.
So now let's go and take a look at the basement. So what I like about the basement, it's exactly as on the size of the house, because this is a raised ranch. So it's always like, so some other styles like ranch or back split and side split, you will not see a full basement. But right now it's a full basement exactly on the size of the house. So a lot of usable space that you can finish and add a second kitchen, a third bathroom, or like a couple, 2 or 3 bedrooms. I think it's very doable to be here. And you can see it's a very high ceiling with the big windows. So usually if you go inside the ranch, you see, some of these smaller windows on the top, but on this one, no, it's a huge windows and
what is the most
ceiling.
important thing here is we have a separate entrance there.
That separate entrance, that's one of the biggest stuff, because just the separate entrance itself, it costs like around 15,000 to do properly.
And not only this, a lot of time consuming.
A lot of time, of course, to hire the right people. So on what you have ready, like the wiring are ready, windows are ready, some of the, like the framing, the insulation, there's all ready stuff to go. And here is where you have your sump pump, a little storage area, and your sump pump to prevent you from flooding and stuff like that. And here is your laundry, the other mechanical stuff. So probably this could be just a room by itself. Sarah, how much do you think finishing a basement usually cost?
I'm not a contractor, or I'm not an expert in this kind of stuff, but I would say it depends on what materials you want to use and what level do you want to finish it with. Like, there is some cheap materials and you can finish it within maybe 20 or 30. If you want to use like more, expensive materials and you want to make it fancier, newer, maybe within like 40.
True, depends on also what you're putting, because if you want to add a second kitchen, then that's gonna cost you a little bit more.
Of course.
I would say anywhere between 40 to even 60, that's where you're gonna be at to finish a basement.
Why not adding a second kitchen here? Why you already have a separate entrance? And
yeah, I mean, you have to add a kitchen. It's better, always better. Because I was speaking with an investor that saw the house previously, and we were thinking about finishing the basement. We were like talking, like putting a kitchen here and living area right here, couple bedrooms, and even the laundry could be somewhere shared right there. There's a lot of space, like it's open space, big, it has everything for you to finish.
And I'm pretty sure, like, if you want to finish the basement, each bedroom, like for example, if it's 2 or 3 bedroom, each bedroom is gonna have its own window.
Yeah. I mean,
because
you have 1,
we do have
2,
like 4
3,
windows
4,
here.
and 5. So this is just the owner covered it, but this is like also will be taken down. There's just like some.
This is gonna add
drywalls.
even more space.
That's even more space
and
here.
there's a window.
There's
as
a window
well.
right there. That's a big thing. So that's why I was saying, like, this area could be kitchen and living area, and the other side you could have the bedrooms.
Yes.
On the other side. So a lot of space for your creativity, and you can do whatever you want in this basement. And let's take you quickly just to show you how the separate entrance look like.
I mean,
this is the separate
I mean, if you
entrance.
can see, like, this size of the bedroom is already a good sized bedroom.
Yeah, I mean,
it's already a bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
If you can see, like, even the depth, and here maybe they can add the kitchen, and there is a 1 bedroom, the other bedroom is there, and we have like 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, the space is here. Whatever
like
you
a
can
big
use
kitchen
wherever
with a
you
big
want.
living area.
So this is, you can show them, Sarah. This is where you go stairs, takes you up, and goes all the way outside.
Yeah, it's so organized.
Yeah. Well, it's great for investors. You can finish the basement, or even for like a smaller families, they can finish the basement, rent it out, and they live on the upper floor only.
Which lots of people are doing this right now.
Exactly. So that's, let us know what you guys think about the house. The price of this house will shock you. It's listed for only $649,000. Let us know quickly because it's still on the market. If you want to see it, our number is going to be on the screen. Book your private showings, and we can show it to you in person. If you have any questions, also you can call us. And if you want to see more tours, more houses like this, make sure to click on the link right here, and we'll see you in the next one.